Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to fix the Are You Human verification loop on Discord. So first let me show you how this is going to look. So if you are getting this type of error in front of you, even if you have clicked on this confirm option, it will be keep on showing you again and again, even if you have verified it. So let's just see how you can fix this error. So first of all, you need to understand why this particular error is keep on occurring again and again. So the issue usually happens because of your browser's cookies, because of the VPNs that you are using, or any kind of Cloudflare protection that is blocking your session. So in order to fix it, first of all, you need to try refreshing your Discord server. If you are using it on your web browser, it will be very easy for you to refresh this page. But if you are using the Discord mobile application, you just have to come out of your Discord app and you need to remove it from the background and launch it again. Now, in the second step, what you can do is in your web browser, tap on the three dots in the top right hand corner of the screen. After that, go to settings. In your settings, you will have to search for cache. So once you search for cache, you will find the option of cache. So you will have to clear the cache from your web browser. If you are using the Discord application on your mobile, you will have to open the settings of your mobile, and there you can just take a look at Discord and you can clear the cookies or the cache files. So this particular thing is going to reset the verification page. The next thing is that if you are using any kind of VPN, as you can see, I have a VPN right now. So if you are using any kind of VPN, you just have to turn it off. If you are using any kind of proxy as well, you need to turn it off. The Discord's bot protection can get triggered if your IP changes or if it looks suspicious. So you need to disable it temporarily and then you need to re-verify. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.